Hello everyone, welcome to the video, and hopefully this video is useful for your projects and whatever you may be doing. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like, and comment, and have a great day, and God bless you all. Bye. In order to follow APA 7th edition's requirements, we need to make sure that all the citations and all the references are indented. So I'm going to show you how to do indents for your citations. So basically you want to do is highlight all your references. At the very top, hit the Format tab. And then the very third one, Align and Indentation. Go scroll all the way down to Indentation Options. Click on it. And then Special Indent, click on Hanging. Then type 0.5. And there you go. You got hanging indents.